Next, for our design tool, we're going to use Tinkercad. If you haven't already done so, go to tinkercad.com and sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'll log in and I'll click on Design, and I've already created a simple finger ring. We'll open up that design. Now we want to send this design to Polar Cloud. So to do that, we tap Export, and instead of Download, choose the 3D Print options, and you can see that one of the options is Polar Cloud. Before I tap that, though, one important step that you need to take. Go into your settings, tap on Safari, and make sure that block pop-ups is turned off. Now I can tap Polar Cloud and continue, and you can see here the site is attempting to open a pop-up. I will allow that. And there's my design in Polar Cloud. If I tap on Explore and tap Objects, you can see all of the objects that I've uploaded. Right now, for this tutorial, I only have the one object. You can also tap on Community Objects and see other objects that people have uploaded and made public. You don't have to make your designs public, but if you choose to do so, you can, and then other people will see them. But for now, I'm going to limit my view to my own object. The next step will be to slice our model, and we'll take a look at that in the next video.